6.3 million people worldwide are currently suffering from Parkinson's disease, and this number is expected to rise over 10 million in just 15 years. The risk of falling due to freezing of gait is significantly high for elderly patients. Falls are the leading cause of injury for elders, accounting for over 85% of all injury-related hospitalizations in the country. Direct healthcare costs for falls among elders in Canada alone is about $2 billion of taxpayers' money each year. These unfortunate facts motivate us to utilize the knowledge we obtain from university education to come up with a solution to mitigate the risk associated with Parkinson's disease. Our objective with ParkAid was to make a product that would predict freeze of gait in advance so that a prompt visual and audio feedback can be provided to the patient to allow him or her to recover from freezing.
The key demographic of our product are elderly patients with early onset Parkinson's disease. Freezing of gait is a symptom that is often observed to be unresponsive to medication. It can lead to situations where patients lose balance and fall. This can be especially fatal for elderly patients. Approximately 38% of patients with PD fall each year, resulting in serious injuries or even death. An efficient way to overcome this symptom is to predict the freezing of gait before it even happens, and immediately provide audiovisual feedback to help patients recover gait.
There's a huge gap in the market for assistive devices for Parkinson's patients, and there are very few devices available today that address the issue of freezing of gait. However, these devices are bulky, obtrusive, and very expensive for their minimal functionality. Furthermore, they don't implement any sort of fall prevention. 45% of the Parkinson's disease patients in Canada reported out-of-the-pocket expenses of over $500 on such devices because the government does not reimburse for these plans. These are exactly the problems we're trying to solve with ParkAid.
Funding for our project was achieved through awards and scholarships such as the Bayless Medical Award for the Capstone Design Project. We are currently looking for angel investors in the KW region who are interested in our project design perspectives. Our current objectives are to acquire customer base, demonstrating our project at Parkinson's rehabilitation centers and doctors for existing Parkinson's patients. Supplier frameworks and contracts will soon be finalized, with prospective parts finalized and initial prototype nearing its fruition. We are soon to have concurrent partnerships with material suppliers. At the macro level, we are looking at the exterior forces that affect our product's proclivity to succeed. First, we see that our product is aimed to be cheap and within the purchasing power of our patients. We're trying to get the product registered so as to be able to be covered by Canadian insurance plans such as the OHIP. We know that technology is ever evolving and our product will match the requirements of current tech standards by staying up to date with faster, smaller hardware and software. When looking into substitute goods, we see that no other competitors in the market are able to match our price margins, and that any that might not have not even left the research phase. Overall, looking at our product success in the micro and macro levels industry, we see that there's a high propensity for success.
There are different kinds of risks associated with the development of this product, such as delay in signal processing and transmission between the devices, prediction and tracking algorithms and accuracy, and device power overconsumption. However, the team members have strong background knowledge in different fields of ECE, and backup plans are available in case of risk emergency. There are very minimal risks associated with the cost of the product, as the product prototype cost does not exceed $200 Canadian.
Our team consists of electrical and computer engineers with a vast knowledge in hardware and software design. The team has industry experience working with embedded systems, wireless communications, algorithm design, and power optimization, which will be beneficial in the success of the project. The team has a strong connectedness and motivation towards achieving a common project goal. We believe together we can develop a solution that will solve the proposed problem.